Hello, my name is Chuck Mignosa. My virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is Molecular Hypnotherapy, or Using the Mind to Heal the Body. The presentation is designed to give you a new set of tools to deal with the situations that science, up until now, has found to be difficult or impossible to deal with. Three of the topics I will be covering are how the mind can activate the healing power of the body, how science has confirmed the basis for this concept, and a technique to use with yourself and your clients to assist in the healing process. This program is for every hypnotherapist who wants to develop a new tool for addressing physical and mental problems that traditional hypnotherapy does not address. I look forward to sharing this information with you and seeing you virtually in August.